Hello friends, I am all set with my second lecture in this chapter for more functions, and the name of file is 2attr. Sorry guys, there is a typo here. I mean, you must be reading attribute value.html file. In this file I am going to use the code from previous lecture where we were having two HTML controls inside body, that is input button and input field. So previously we have seen that clicking this button was simply turning the disabled attribute of this input field to disabled right here. But right now what do I want this time is I want that if somebody clicks this button, the value inside this value attribute of this input field must get selected here and get alerted in the browser. So what does it mean? It means you can use this attr function in two overloads. The first overload is here. I mean, this attr function this time is being used to set attribute to this input field. But this time I'm going to use the second version of this attr function, that is unparameterized version of this attr function. Using unparameterized version, sorry, not unparameterized version, this time I'm going to use this attr function to read the value from within this value attribute of this input field. So for that I'm going to use the second overload of this attr function. I mean, in the second overload, all I have to do is to simply pass the name of the attribute I want to read the value from here. I mean, from here. So what will happen here? If somebody clicks on this input button, look, this input button's click event handler function will be called, and then this input field will get selected over here, and this attr function will simply read the value of this value attribute, I mean this hello world, from this input field. And then what do I want is I want to alert this value inside a alert box. So I'll paste that script here inside this parameter list of this alert button, alert function. So let's go ahead and open this file inside browser and see the output here. So if I click this, what is expected here is this value must get selected inside jQuery document ready function, and then the value must get alerted in alert box. So click this and look, this hello world is get alerted inside this alert box.